Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Reporting live from the headquarters in Asmara is me Bersabet Taghla. Following are the major headlines for today. Seminar organized to use in Sel'a subzone. Vocational training provided to women family caretakers in Mandafara. Pirates board Danish-owned ship in the dreaded Gulf of Guinea. And dozens killed in fire at migrant detention center on Mexico-US border. On your local reports, Mr. Saleh Ahmeddin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, conducted seminar to youth in Sel'a subzone, Gashbarka region, on the objective situation in the homeland and timely responsibility of the youth. At this seminar, in which over 300 youth took part, Mr. Saleh called on the youth to take advantage of the educational facilities put in place in their areas and to improve their livelihoods and have positive influence in their areas. In the same vein, Mr. Marcos Grmatian, head of organizational and political affairs at the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, branch in Gashbarka region, conducted seminar to secondary school students in La'lai Gash subzone, focusing on the educational opportunities of the youth. Similar seminars have also been organized to students in Ingerne and Aderd subzone, as well as to youth workers in Aorda subzone. The National Union of Eritrean Women branch in the southern region provided 8 months training on weaving to women family caretakers in Mandafara, indicating that the training program was in continuation of the effort by the union branch with a view to equip women with skill and enable them engage in income-generating activities to improve their livelihoods. Ms. Qudusan Mabratu, head of socio-economic service at the union branch, called on all women to develop their skills practically on the ground. Speaking at the conclusion event of the training on 28 March, Mr. Khatasfa Mikael, president of the National Union of Eritrean Women, called on all concerned institutions to provide the support the women need in all their endeavors. At the event, the trainees displayed products they produced during the training program. On your last local news, meetings focusing on proper use of health facilities were conducted in the administrative areas of Begu, Ashara, Glas, Adhamad, Hashishai, Adfa'ai, Adalat and Harannet Haga subzone. At the meetings carried out from 9 to 20 March, a call was made on the public to make proper use of the health facilities put in place in their areas and strengthen participation for their sustainability. Briefings were also provided, supported with photographs focusing on the significance of controlling communicable and non-communicable diseases, as well as the negative consequences of FGM and underage marriages in the overall development of women. The participants of the meetings conducted extensive discussion on issues raised at the meetings and adopted various recommendations. The head of health service in the subzone, Mr. Gabra Meskel Gabrahiwat, said that as a result of the integrated effort carried out to increase the awareness of the public, children's vaccination coverage has reached 100%, cervical cancer vaccination to 74%, and 82% of the residents have become beneficiaries of the community-based environmental sanitation program. In Haga subzone, there are 1 community hospital, 6 health stations, and 2 health units. That was all with your domestic news, dear viewers. Coming up will be international reports after the short break. Welcome back. Pirates attacked and boarded a Danish-owned ship in the Gulf of Guinea on Saturday, and all communication channels with the vessel are down, a spokesperson for shipping company Monjasa said. According to further reports, all 16 crew members sought refuge in a safe room on board the Monjasa reformed vessel. The Liberian-flagged oil and chemical tanker, which was sitting idle, was attacked about 140 nautical miles west of the Republic of Congo's Port Point Nord. The vessel is operated by Dubai-based Montec Ship Management, which is owned by Monjasa. Montec reported the incident to a maritime cooperation center operated by the British and French navies to maintain safety in the Gulf of Guinea. According to Monjasa, the operator is working with all relevant maritime authorities in the region, including several navies. The Gulf of Guinea, described by the International Maritime Bureau as one of the world's most dangerous shipping routes, covers 11,000 square kilometers and stretches from Angola to Senegal. On your final report, at least 39 migrants died in a fire which broke out at an immigration detention center in a Mexican city on the U.S. border, the Mexican government said yesterday. The fire broke out shortly before midnight at the National Migration Institute facility in Ciudad Juarez, prompting the mobilization of firefighters and dozens of ambulances. An AFP reporter saw forensic personnel removing a dozen bodies from the detention center's parking lot, where several other bodies were laid and covered with blankets. A statement from the institute said that the National Migration Institute of the Interior Ministry regrets the death of so far 39 foreign migrants caused by the fire. A rescuer who asked not to be identified because he was not authorized to speak to the media said there were about 70 migrants at the center, mostly Venezuelans. A number of migrants have been detained in the center in recent days after local authorities rounded up street vendors from the area, some of whom were foreigners. Mexico's President Andrés Manuel López Obrador said on Tuesday that the blaze was started by migrants in the center protesting against their expected deportation. You're still watching us on ERi-TV viewers, and now a recap of the major headlines. Seminar organized to use in Sel Asab zone. Vocational training provided to women family caretakers in Mendefera. Pirates board Danish-owned ship in the dread Gulf of Guinea. And dozens killed in a fire at migrant detention center on Mexico-US border. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and enjoy the remaining of our programs.